zooming out, you have to ask yourself, is there a beneficial exchange, right? In the services we choose to use in exchange for my data.
Yeah.
Right? Use Instagram for free. Okay, think about that. You have an always on access to anybody in the world through messaging, through free content, through unlimited access to knowledge, right? And you don't pay a dime for that.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah.
And so you have to ask yourself, is that a fair exchange? Right? And I genuinely believe for a lot of the platforms and services that we use, it is genuinely fair to have those services for free in exchange for our data. Right? If you're not paying for the product, guess what? You are the product. Now, when it gets very shifty is when your data is being chopped up, sold, and shared to entities, right, who you don't have any relationship with.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? And this is when it can become scary. But again, all of this technology is omni-use, meaning it can be used for extreme good, right? And if you're using the algorithm correctly, genuinely, there's kids on YouTube right now, hundreds of thousands of them, who are going to be more capable, more intelligent entrepreneurs and adults than any of us because they're binge watching YouTube.
Yeah.
Think about how much of a gift that is.
Yeah.
You have access to the entire world's genius in your pocket, on your computer, anywhere you go. So for a lot of us, it is a very fair exchange, giving a bit of data in exchange for access to the world's genius. Right? But if you're not using it properly, or that data is being sold and shared and being sucked off by entities that don't have your best interests in mind, that is the problem. So the answer is both, right? There are certain entities that are using it for good and are acting in your best interest. And there is an exchange where you're getting incrementally more value for your data. And there's other entities which are not the case. And those are the ones that we need to be more mindful of. And especially in the age of AI, where AI can look at all the data simultaneously, make decisions, and being put into positions where it can actually enforce power based on the data that's at play. There's going to be some very fundamental ethical dilemmas that come up in the next couple of years.